Hey everybody, this is probably the earliest one yet. 7:20 in the morning, 11 degrees inside and minus 12.8 degrees outside. That's right, it's only 11 degrees inside. Fucking power went out. No power here, boys. It's kind of weird. Oh, you can't see jack shit with this camera. I thought it would do a little better in this light, but yeah, anyways, there's street lights on all over the place, but looks like our power's out, but there's power to a house nearby. But we called up, and I guess we're not the only ones. Apparently, it must be a phase out because, you know, there's street lights on in some spots, and other stuff on in other spots, and then there's some stuff not on, so, you know, I would assume that they have a blown phase. And I swear I just saw the power truck going to the store. They said they'd have power on by 7:30. They're probably not even going to get here by 7:30. But that's one of the great things about living in the middle of fucking nowhere. The power goes out all the fucking time. And good luck waiting for it to come back on. Alright, well, finally, power came back on. It's 11 o'clock in the morning now. It's finally 21 back in the house. It got down to 9 degrees before the power come back on. It's starting to get a little cold. Minus 13 outside. It's actually getting colder outside. I was just out there and holy fuck, boys, it is cold. You can even see, like, if you look on the ocean out here. Come on, puppy, stop pushing on me. My dog really wants me to do something. But yeah, you can see the steam raising off the ocean. You know she's cold when the ocean starts steaming. I can see it even better over here. See the steam just rolling over the ocean there. I tried something different with my taping today. I have it in intelligent auto mode. Apparently before I had it in manual mode. So now it's in intelligent auto mode. I have no friggin' clue what that means. I don't know if it's to do with lighting, focus, or what, but it is what it is, and we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, she was cold as fuck last night. Snowed a bit more. Not much. I mean, it's not too bad up there. But, brr, it's fucking cold. I'm going out to the shop right now. I'm scared. Are you scared of the shop? It's cold out there. Isn't it, puppy? Isn't it? No, you don't care. You don't care. You want to go outside, don't you? You want to go outside? Huh? You don't realize how cold it is yet. No, you don't realize how cold it is yet. Get him, kitty. Get him. Attack. She's not very good at listening, is she? Anyways, I got to put his jacket on. Oh! If he stops jumping on me. Yeah, she's cold. Even this thermometer. Can't really see, but a few degrees over 0 Fahrenheit. You know it's cold when we get down into the Fahrenheit. But we got the abominable snow dog here. He really wants to go outside. Even though he's shaking before I put his jacket on. I think that was because the cat was swatting at him. Getting all excited or something. Here you go, doggy. Enjoy. He doesn't mind so much with his jacket. Not like yesterday, he didn't want to go outside. There was a day before, anyways, when it was snowing and raining. He wanted no part of going outside. Jesus, fucking paper's so slick. It's slide. Go pee! Go pee! Oh, you're not buckled up, hold on. Roscoe, I gotta buckle you up. There you go, there you go. Go pee! Go pee! Oh, brr, it's cold. It's cold out there, boys. Oh, fuck. Wow. 2 battery to 0 battery. That's what the cold will do. Anyways, I probably won't have much more recording time then. Anyways, I'm just letting the dog out, coming out here. See what it's like. Oh, my room's starting to finally set up. Still a little bit tacky, but almost dry, which is good. I can get this tire started here soon. Anyways, it's too freaking cold. My camera's about to die, so I'll just leave it at that for now and plug my camera in. Hopefully get some more video later. I was driving around this morning. And the road was actually kind of slick, but it wasn't too bad considering it's got fucking summer tires on it. But some guy just came to my house and asked me, he's like, "Oh, you got that car for sale?" I'm like, "Kinda, yeah." Because, you know, I do want to get rid of it. Well, oddly enough, I think the woman I bought it from told him that I have it or something. But anyway, she said something about two-colored car for $250. I was like, no, bud. That's what I paid for it. I didn't quite pay that, but that's what I paid for it. And I'm looking for $1,000 now. It's all fixed up. And he was like, "Oh, I didn't want to pay that much." So he was saying something about a 2004 Santa Fe. But last thing I want to get involved in is a fucking Hyundai Santa Fe. Them things are fucking nightmare machines. But anyways, looks like the dog is all happy. He's got a bit of snow on him. But, it's cold. I'm glad I got this big fucking poofy jacket on. I'll be freezing my fucking hole off even worse. But anyways, I gotta do some stuff, so I'll start videotaping if I actually get up to anything. Talk to you after. Look at that button. Ah! That's funny. Just from putting my battery in my pocket, I went from flashing red up to yellow 1 bar of battery. Anyways, I'm just making some room for the old man. He's bringing his car over. His windshield washer pisser isn't working. And that kind of sucks when it's salty and shitty out. You can still see, like I was saying, you know, it's just fucking windy and cold. You can see that steam coming off the water. Nobody going out in their boat today, I don't think, though. Fuck. That guy yesterday was crazy. No boats. Everybody's home today. I had to scrape a little thing just so you can see out the fucking window. All the boats are there. But yeah, she's cold. She's cold. But I gotta say, it must be because of all this concrete in here. This place holds the heat. It's minus 13 outside. You'd think that'd be frozen. It's minus 13. You'd also think, mind you, it is somewhat frozen. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's water rolling around in that tire. That ain't frozen. So it ain't too bad in here. I mean, it ain't the warmest, but it could be worse. Obviously, I could be outside. At least here I'm in the shade and stuff. But anyways, he'll be here any minute. I'm cold as fuck. I just wanted to have a little laugh about that battery. Can't believe that the heat makes that much of a difference, but I guess it's just such a tiny little fucking battery. I mean, I think my cell phone battery is bigger than this, for fuck's sakes. It's amazing it works this camera for as long as it does. But anyways, one of these days I'll buy one of them battery packs. They're only about $20 on eBay, and they give you 2.6 amp hours or whatever. Yeah, it's like 2,600 milliamp hours, so 2.6 amp hours. But that's a lot better than this one, which is 550 milliamp hours or 0.5. You know, that battery should last a hell of a lot longer. But anyways, like I said, too fucking cold to be videotaping. Camera's got to shit in the bed again. So, talk to you all later. Alright, I don't know how much time I have, so I'm going to try to do this right quick. But minus 10 out. Thought if this will be a good chance to try to start the old beast here. Oh, the key's fucking frozen. I don't know if I can. Oh shit. Didn't think that would be an issue. Key is frozen fucking solid. Well, not quite solid. It's moving just a little hair, but I ain't starting nothing without that moving. That's what I get for taking it all apart under here. Oh no, this ain't gonna work.
Turn on the headlights.
That's how you turn around a car on a hill.